Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the transformative power of a 10-minute morning routine designed specifically for muscle growth. A quick morning workout not only jumpstarts your metabolism, but also sets a positive tone for the day ahead. For fitness enthusiasts, muscle growth is crucial as it enhances strength, boosts metabolism, and improves overall health. We understand that time can be tight, so we promise to share actionable tips that seamlessly fit into your busy lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting out, this routine will help you maximize your gains without sacrificing your precious time. The science of muscle growth. Muscle growth, or hypertrophy, primarily hinges on the process of protein synthesis, where the body repairs and builds muscle fibers after exercise. Engaging in morning workouts can significantly enhance this process as they kickstart your metabolism, leading to increased calorie burn throughout the day. This metabolic boost not only aids in muscle development, but also helps in fat loss, creating a leaner physique. However, consistency is key. Regularly incorporating these morning routines into your schedule ensures that your body adapts and grows stronger over time. By understanding these physiological principles, you can effectively harness the power of your mornings for optimal muscle growth. Essential warm-up exercises. Before diving into your muscle-building routine, it's crucial to prepare your body with effective warm-up exercises. Dynamic stretches, such as arm circles and leg swings, are excellent for increasing blood flow and flexibility. Warming up not only enhances performance, but also significantly reduces the risk of injuries during your workout. To kickstart your day, try this quick 2-minute warm-up routine. Begin with 30 seconds of arm circles, followed by 30 seconds of leg swings on each leg, and finish with 30 seconds of torso twists. This simple yet effective warm-up will get your muscles ready for action and set the stage for growth. Strength training techniques. In just 10 minutes, you can effectively build muscle by incorporating key strength training exercises. Focus on compound movements like push-ups and squats, which engage multiple muscle groups for maximum efficiency. For push-ups, keep your hands shoulder-width apart, maintain a straight line from head to heels, and lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground. For squats, stand with feet shoulder-width apart, push your hips back, and lower your body as if sitting in a chair, keeping your knees aligned with your toes. Remember, it's all about intensity over duration. Push yourself to maximize each rep for optimal results. Nutrition tips for muscle growth. Post-workout nutrition is vital for muscle growth, and prioritizing protein intake is essential. Consuming protein after your morning workouts helps repair and build muscle fibers, maximizing your gains. Easy breakfast options like protein smoothies, made with your favorite fruits and a scoop of protein powder, or oatmeal topped with nuts and Greek yogurt, provide the necessary nutrients to fuel recovery. To make mornings more efficient, consider meal prepping your breakfasts in advance. This way, you can grab a nutritious meal on the go, ensuring you stay on track with your muscle growth goals even on the busiest days. Hydration and recovery. Hydration plays a crucial role in muscle function and recovery, as water helps transport nutrients and remove waste products from your muscles. Staying properly hydrated can enhance your performance and reduce the risk of cramps and fatigue. To incorporate hydration into your morning routine, start your day with a glass of water and consider keeping a water bottle handy during your workouts. Additionally, remember that rest days are just as important as training days. They allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Prioritizing hydration and recovery will set the foundation for effective muscle growth and overall fitness success. Creating a consistent routine. Establishing a sustainable morning routine for muscle growth starts with setting a specific wake-up time. Consistency is key. Waking up at the same time each day helps your body adapt and prepares you for your workouts. To stay motivated, consider tracking your progress, whether through a journal or a fitness app, as this will help you see how far you've come. Remember, it's essential to adjust your routine as needed to align with your personal goals and lifestyle changes. By creating a consistent morning routine, you'll build the habits necessary for long-term muscle growth and overall fitness success. Conclusion. In summary, a quick morning routine is essential for muscle growth, setting the tone for a productive day while maximizing your fitness results. By incorporating effective warm-ups, strength training techniques, and proper nutrition, you can make the most of just 10 minutes each morning. We encourage you to implement the tips shared in this video to enhance your muscle-building journey. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video with friends who are also looking to improve their fitness. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to support your health and wellness goals.